Okay, great. Uh, Hello everyone. Welcome back to another session of live trading. So as always, I would be trading live in this session, and I would be searching for shorts, any possible shorts that I can consistently take and make it work. Since yesterday, I have introduced a little change in the way I do this, and that is basically by introducing this net volume. So instead of looking at just the volume, I'm looking at this net volume, and I have truly no clue that how this is gonna pan out, but I have a good feeling about this, so I'm just gonna follow it. Okay, so let's set up our setup. So we will have a bunch of trading view sections which are open. So usually in this section of the setup, I have one Nifty chart right for access, and other than that, we have the heat map. So yeah, let's set up the Nifty chart. So I think it's known as CNX 500, and that was the 9 o'clock bell. This was the chart for yesterday. So while Nifty closed lower for the day, I think overall it went up. And again, that's a great thing for any and all mutual fund portfolios, mine included. It's a crazy thing. A short seller with a mutual fund portfolio. Okay, let's set up the heat map as well. So this is the heat map. Right now, it does not really represent anything. So I'm just gonna streamroll over the fact that it is very green right now. It's post the pre-market time, that is the 7 minutes which have just started. Then things would become interesting. And there it is. Hind Petro. Okay, what was up with this guy? There's a Hind Copper as well. Did not know about that. Anyway, this was Hind Petro. Okay, so this is a leading indicator or lagging indicator? I'm a little bit confused. For example, you can see the selling pressure was building and building, but the price was going high. In hindsight, you can tell that, but if you're doing live and if you are looking for short, you'll most probably short here and put stop loss somewhere around here. Certainly won't put stop loss about like almost a rupee over that. Okay, let's try it like this. So 1.5 times ATR, 1.5 ATR, that makes it for what? 3. So if I enter here on 345.55, so technically my stop loss should be around here. Damn. Isn't that something? That really is something. Anyway, I'm just gonna open calculator right alongside my phone here. Need to have a few things ready. Okay. And this was one wacky stop. But even if let's say I put the stop loss here, if I had shorted here and if I was able to like hold, okay, I don't really need to like refresh the whole thing. I can just do this. I should have just done that. Okay, right now it really doesn't mean anything, but it would be very interesting to see the heat map itself. Okay, very red. And it is opening far below. Uh, See, this is the weird thing. I mean, if I was trading a derivative of the index itself, in that case, this might be something I can basically compare to with the past entries, and the reason being very simple. You can basically whenever Nifty has gapped down, for example here, it usually like tries to close that gap, maybe eventually fails, and sometime closes a lot below than the opening, but usually it tries to close that gap. So the first few candles would usually be just it going up. Okay. So for anyone joining right now, it's 9:10. So that means we are 5 minutes from going live on the stock market. What I will try to do is I will try to look for shorts. Basically, uh, I don't have really some crazy big strategy. Mostly I'm